How to for SASSA SRD R350 grant. Are you a SASSA SRD R350 grant recipient? Need to update your banking details? In this video, I'll guide you through the simple steps to change your banking details and ensure you receive your payments without delays. Step-by-step guide. To change your banking details, follow these steps carefully. Step 1. Visit the official SASSA SRD website. Go to srd.sassa.gov.za. Scroll down until you find the section that says, "How do I change my banking details?" Step 2. Enter your ID number. Below the instructions, you'll see a space to enter your South African ID number, the same one you used when applying for the SRD grant. After entering your ID number, click the Submit button. Step 3. Check your SMS for the unique link. SASSA will send a secure link to the cell phone number you registered with. This link is valid for only 30 minutes, so act fast. Step 4. Enter your new banking details. Click on the link in the SMS and you'll be redirected to a secure page where you can update your banking details. Here's what you need to enter: bank name, account type, savings or check account number. Step 5. Confirm and submit. After entering your details, double check for any errors before clicking the submit button. You'll then be asked to confirm your details one last time. Step 6. Confirmation message. If your submission is successful, you will receive an on-screen confirmation message and an SMS notification. Important things to note. Now, here are a few important things you must keep in mind. The bank account must be in your name. SASSA verifies the account ownership, and if the names don't match, your payment will not be processed. The unique SMS link expires after 30 minutes. If it does, you'll need to wait 24 hours before requesting a new one. Ensure your banking details are correct. Mistakes can cause delays or failed payments. The SASSA SRD R350 grant, first introduced in 2020, continues to support millions of unemployed South Africans in meeting their basic needs. Updating your banking details ensures you receive your payments smoothly and on time. If you found this video helpful, like, share, and subscribe for more updates on SASSA grants. Have questions? Drop them in the comments below.